Facing drop in Google Ads conversions. Hi Ali, I run search ads in Google Ads for my B2B software as a service company. We used to get okay means okay conversions day wise, but my conversions almost went to zero now. I don't know what is causing this. Based on the decent performance, we increased the campaign budget on 11th July, and after that week we saw increase in the conversions, but just after the next week we got one conversion only, which is all time low and never happened since then. We are getting 2 to 3 conversions weekly. I have checked everything, but there is no clear reason why that happened. Are you guys facing the same issue? Okay, guys, there are so many reasons why you see a drop in conversions. Let's start with how many conversions you were getting usually, and now you are saying drop to 2 to 3. I need to know the previous figure, then we can get some data. So understand, in marketing the data plays a crucial role, very important role. So you need to figure out how many conversions you were getting daily and how you drop to this. Also see if there is a local trend, a change in the particular area you are targeting. Also see the data of the last year, if there a decline in those months, specifically in your conversions. There are so many factors to see before making a decision. Apart from this, have you ever looked on what time of the day, what days, what hours you see a peak on conversions? So you need to see. Also sometimes there is a new competitor in the market which have actually grabbed your market share and you don't even know. So keeping an eye on your marketer competitor is very important, which I highly emphasize, highly suggest to all of the people that need a strong eye on the competitors, what they are doing, and what they are offering, their ads, keywords. So we as a company has all of those tools as well. So you need to see, also look around for your search terms, see the change history to see if there was any change which you did mistakenly, or someone who has the access to your account has done it knowingly or unknowingly. You need to reverse those changes. Also see your quality scores of the campaign, if there was a decline or something like this. So these are all of the things which you can figure out to see if you notice any conversions, increase, decrease, and these are the things. But my opinion is need to figure out the data, what data is converting well for you. Look for those. Sometimes if you see a search term, sometimes there is a new set of keywords which are not converting well. You need to add them in the negative list. And sometimes, very rare, but this also occurs, that your competitor is clicking on your ad and that is wasting your budget. So for either of this scenario, we recommend hire us for your Google Ads audit. And I have a team of professionals who can do a detailed Google Ads audit to figure out what is causing the problem, and we can help you in sorting out all of these issues. So in case if you need our services to sort your Google Ads errors, you can hire us through the link in the description. We are a Google partner company and we love to work with you. I hope I answered your question, and yeah, you can hire us for your auditing services, and we will help you to find out why there was a decline in conversions and how you can get those conversions back. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.